Mark?
Yeah.
I think I don't want to live anymore. What the fuck? Mark, I think I don't want to live anymore.
Why is that?
I just don't want to live anymore.
Why?
We're not even moving though.
Are you still there? Ah, yeah. Okay. Tapos additional dalawang meal ng cheesy egg pizza with sausage with hash brown. Ang drinks ay...
So what's up? Me and Mark, we found a wood on the side of the road and we're gonna try to ask someone if they know who owns the wood.
So we may ask for a bit.
Yeah, for permission, and we're
Sayang.
gonna ask for a bit. Kasi sayang yung wood. It's been lying there for quite some time because they are starting to rot. So
And it's Chico wood, so you know.
And there's the burl.
It's
So
a good hardwood.
we need to have that precious wood. And I just want to show you the beauty of the ancestral houses. I mean, they're fucking great. So we're walking real fast, and we're not minding any dog because we don't want to get chased by those dogs.
Look, it's got a good front yard.
Man, that front yard is fucking huge. Anyways, so unfortunately, uuwi kaming luhaan. Kasi we don't want to steal the wood, we want to ask for a wood.
Yeah.
And ang gaganda ng pizza na kasi may mga characters yung wood na only Chico can give.
It's also got some burl on it, so
Yeah.
it's a shame.
So,
Bye-bye! You're guilty all the same! This thing to be ashamed! You want to point your finger, but there's no one else to blame! Guilty all the same! This thing to be ashamed! You want to point your finger, but there's no one else to blame! There's no one else to blame! Guilty all the same!
so anyways, we just arrived here at Tatay Ono's place. At bibili kami ng
Balisong.
Balisong.
And then we're gonna sharpen it, polish it, engrave it,
Customize it.
and customize it. Make a box,
Probably.
and then send it off.
To his wife.
Wife's friend.
His wife's friend.
Yeah, and
But
it's a gift
it's
to
gonna be a gift.
some French person.
Yep. So anyways, we just arrived here at Tatay Ono's place. At bibili kami ng
Balisong.
Balisong.
And then we're gonna sharpen it, polish it, engrave it,
Customize it.
and customize it. Make a box,
Probably.
and then send it off.
To his wife.
Wife's friend.
His wife's friend.
Yeah, and
But
it's a gift
it's gonna
to
be a gift.
some French person.
So kasama namin yung legend at number one legend at nag-iisa lang yan. Tatay Ona.
Tanggapin mo yung mga pinapupunta ko sa inyo, sa iyo!
Hindi na ako natanggap ng commission guild.
Ayaw na.
Ayoko na, toxic tatay.
Kami kasi usually yes, which nagulat ako kasi di ba usually if we go to LTO 8 plus pag na late tayo 8:03.
It's really more fun here in the Philippines. You wanna know why? Mark, can you tell them?
Yeah, because there's so much traffic, and when you have traffic, you get time to bond with your friends and family in the car, waiting 3 hours to move maybe a kilometer. So you have time to bond, and it's more fun, right?
Yeah, it's more fun because you need to buy more gas.
Which in turn you have to work harder, so mas mabilis ka
Skills.
maunlad.
So another one is that they have this festival, religious festival again.
I think there it's in the back. Show them the.
Yeah, it's in the back. Right here. We got festival, and
Festivals are more fun, right?
festivals are more fun, especially if you're doing it in a highway. And everyone's in a hurry, just like me. I need to fucking poop.
And I'm hungry.
And he's hungry. He hasn't ate any meal yet. And I just have my coffee. And I'm energetic as fuck. So, he's doing that on purpose. Look at his fucking chin.
Kasi walang sausage meat mo, mag-rice bowl na lang.
Rice.
Rice bowl.
Is that the one with horns? Bull?
Oo. May yung ano, yung klaseng karne na beef. Di ba may chicken tsaka may beef.
Check.
Chicken tsaka may beef. Tsaka pork.
So yung chicken, yung video game, di ba? Yung chicken. Nandun si Jean, si
kasi
Gon.
may, di ba, depende sa order mo, chicken 1, chicken 2, 2-piece chicken.
Chicken!
Ayan. Pero mas gusto ko yung beef.
Yung bep.
Yung beef.
Yung bep.
Beef.
Bull.
Bull. Beef bull.
Basta hindi bulbul.
Hindi. Pero yung bulgogi.
So, gonna miss you when you're gone. Because you're gonna go in Germany.
Yeah. Hopefully, if everything pushes through. But to you know, lighten up the mood, I can maybe.
You can send me TikTok dances.
No, man. I will explain you the characteristics of a Balisong blade made from the Batangas. So here we have a...
Just don't open it because you're driving.
okay, so this is a Tatay Ona made Balisong in the Batangas here in the Philippines. This is a 24 centimeter blade.
24 centimeter.
Yeah, it's 24 centimeter. Could you please open it for the crowd so they may see it?
I'm not gonna fully open it, but I'm just gonna show you the winner.
Yes, there you go. So as you can see, the blade profile is a basic drop point or clip point, as we call it.
It's like a buoy.
Yes,
profile.
and the wood here could be the red yakal, which is a native wood in the Philippines. As you can see, the holding pins are made out of copper, the copper, and with brass.
Brush.
As I said, I'm from Germany. Brass with the brass fittings, and we have some which probably could be stainless steel pins, if not basic mild steel pins to hold together the mechanism, the flip mechanism.
So,
And
can
here-
you tell me how can that Balisong serve you in the future?
Well, if you can put it in between your ass cheeks, you can hide it from the police because they don't like touching your ass.
Yeah.
And it can really fit well, you see, in your ass cheeks, unless you don't have an ass.
If you don't have an ass, then
And-
you can insert it in your ass.
Yes, and there will always be the imprinting of the maker,
Yeah.
as you can see here.
And if you insert it in
Papunas?
your asshole, that's gonna be one hell of a pleasurable pain.
Well, that's how you look at it if you find it pleasurable. But I find it more pleasurable if you open the blade and then put it in your asshole.
Oh my god, that is one more very, very pleasurable pain.
Yes, and this is a very beautiful made piece. This is the best quality, or one of the best quality you can get here in the Batangas.
See,
You gotta go to visit Ona's Blade near Taal.
visit Tatay Ona's Blade and I'm gonna link his Facebook down below in the description. So, you guys can view more pictures of his quality Balisong.
Yes, okay.
I'm a Russian.
And I'm
No,
just
In
a
Russia, we don't do shit. We don't give much. We just give you nothing, but take from you everything.
well, maybe they leave a shot of vodka, just to make them feel better.
Yeah, vodka. It's tastes better even if you mix it with your coffee. You can have a shot of coffee and vodka in the morning and you're gonna go shit in the afternoon.
Just make sure before you drink your vodka, you look your friend in the eye and say Nastrovia.
Yeah, Nostrovia. Vodka. Suzuki. Calamari. Isuzu. Toyota. Chevrolet.
Say oil. Bonnet, do you have to say anything? You've been quiet the last 10 minutes. You have not said anything. Would you like to say anything to the crowd?
I think he needs to poop. Because he is quiet.
But he is hungry, so maybe he can poop in his mouth and then eat it again.
No, he can poop and he can eat the poop.
No,
And
thank I don't
poo the
like
poop.
I don't like poop. I want diarrhea.
Oh my god, that's gonna be a porridge.
Almeria, the diarrhea, but not just any diarrhea. It has to come from an asshole with almoranas.
Oh,
Yes,
almoranas.
that gives it extra spicy flavor.
Yeah. Then you need to eat a Fiji Carolina Reaper.
And then rub it on your, cheeks.
No,
Butt
in your
cheeks.
eyes. That's gonna be Russia. Oh my god.
As think we already talked too much. How about we close the video?
I'm gonna move out of the camera now because I'm too exposed and my forehead is too big for the camera. So we're back again in our normal voices. I'm
Yeah.
still drinking my coffee.
I'm still holding the balisong in my hand.
I'm gonna get it now. Oh my
Ah, sorry.
What?
I thought you wanted-
I'm getting the balisong.
Sorry, I thought you wanted to, give me a
No.
little moral support while I'm driving.
Yeah. No, I mean, I can support you as a friend, but no, touching hands.
Okay.
Now I'm returning to my Russian voice. Si Bonets, tahimik na tahimik si Bonets. Right. Yeah. Don't forget to wear your seatbelt.
Yeah, it just magically appeared back.
Did you know that you can adjust the seatbelt?
Yes, up and
That,
down.
yeah, here. And most people doesn't know that. And I don't know that. I just learned it last night while watching vlogs and stuff. So Mark is driving. The tricycle is a kamote rider. And we need to go home because we need to work.
Plenty of
Ang
work.
dami namin kailangan tapusin na trabaho. Diyos ko! Ano ba naman ito?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Nagmukha siyang tanga.
Nalimutan ko.
Lagot ka kay Ellen Brgy. Shoutout nga pala, hi Karis. So say goodbye and hit the road. Back it up and disappear. Coffee. We're going 60 miles per hour because it's a freeway. Tapos may mas mabilis pa sa amin, like he's going for 120.
Yeah, I think he's overspeeding.
Yeah,
Not
so-
120,
so-
but I think he's around 80.
Yeah, 80 or 90.
Yeah.
He's overspeeding.
And then he's braking for no reason.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, there's a tricycle.
Yeah.
So
Sometimes what I hate when I'm on a highway.
yeah, someone's gonna slow down real quick.
Yeah, for no reason. There's no obstruction on the road. There's no potholes. There's nothing, and then they just brake.
Yung tipong unahan ka lang nila, then magmamabagal sila so they can piss you off even more.
Lalo na yung kung may mag-turn into the highway, nagmamadali silang pumasok sa or makipasok sa highway.
Yeah.
Pero wala namang...
Be a responsible driver.
Yeah.
Huwag kamote, okay? So, yun lang masasabi namin para maiwasan naman natin yung mga, alam mo na, mga tipong...
Huwag timoka, ha?
Yeah. So, siguro dito na namin tatapusin yung vlog namin kasi medyo mahaba na din. Yun lang, gusto lang namin makita nyo yung ano, yung ginagawa namin sa mga
nonsense pinag-uusapan.
yeah, travel stuff, travel talk and stuff. So, pasensya na kung hindi ko na-record kanina yung ano, yung opening ng vlog papunta kina Tatay Ona kasi nalobat yung camera ko and wala pa kaming ano, wala pa
But
kaming
maybe
kain.
next time we can talk a little
Yeah.
technical stuff naman.
Yeah,
about
technical
skills
stuff.
And,
And this, sana that time seryoso na tayo.
yeah.
Hindi na yung mga vodka and bullshit. There's quotes, oh. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Sana magustuhan nyo. Abangan nyo, mag-giveaway ako sa Batangas Armory this fucking Christmas. So,
Oh, really?
let's hit 5,000 subscribers. So, ganahin akong tapusin lalo yung vakisasyon na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Anyways, hanggang dito na lang. Ako si Rama Kimot, signing out. So, as the closing remarks again, Mark needs to order some food.
Yeah, I haven't had any breakfast.
Yeah, and I need one more coffee.
I've got
Coffee.
myself a rice bowl. There's no more.